then, our next one is a little bit shorter, but it's a nice one. When I go to the nursery. Oh wow, looks like he's having fun, doesn't he? When I go to the nursery, there's so much to do. I can work out a puzzle. I can cut and glue. I can roll out the Play-Doh ready to make biscuits or even a birthday cake. He's very clever, isn't he? Oops, sorry. I can fill pots and empty them, dip and pour, and sometimes make a real mess on the floor with a sandpit. I mix colours like purple and orange and green and paint the best pictures that you've ever seen, just like you've all done on the wall for me. I play with my friends on the climbing frame and I'm starting to learn to write my name. Very clever, isn't he? I can build a tower or a bridge or a plane, then take it apart and start all over again. I can be a pirate or go to the moon or march in a band and beat out a tune. I can sit and look at a book with a friend, and when Mum comes to fetch me right at the end, she asks me to tell her about what I can do, so I try to remember it all. Can you? There we go. Right, we've got some more stories for next week, so if you want to say which ones you'd like, we've got Don't Kick Up a Fuss, Gus, or, oops, sorry, or Kids. So if you want to let Lee know which one you'd like, and then we'll do that next week for you. Okay then, bye.